half a day. You know that viral tortilla trend from TikTok? We're gonna make it Chamorro style with a barbecue Fiesta wrap. Look at that. And of course, a Spam and eggs breakfast wrap. For the Islander Spam version, you'll need the large tortilla, real Spam, not imitation, 2 eggs, ketchup, mozzarella cheese is to crisp the bottom, rice, a slice or 2 of Kraft cheese, soy sauce, and butter, because you know what's coming. For the Fiesta wrap, you'll need the tortilla, barbecue meat, red rice, gollai appan agate or bananas and coconut milk, chicken kelaguen or lemon chicken salad, and fina'denne. Let's start with slicing the Spam thick. And frying them in butter. By the way, you'll find all of the Guam Chamorro recipes for the Fiesta barbecue wrap linked at the end of this video. Make your Spam more duckness or burnt if you like. Scramble the eggs, melt some butter, and scramble to your liking, a little wet or a little dry. Put a tablespoon of butter in the bowl with your rice and heat to melt. Add soy sauce, and mix well. Let's get to the fun part. Cut your tortilla from the bottom up. Add eggs to the upper left. You can use all of it, it'll just be very thick. Then top with ketchup. Use more ketchup than you think you need, especially if you're not putting fina'denne. On the upper right corner, pour your rice. Spam on the bottom right. With cheese. Now, it's not the healthiest stuff here, but if you're carb loading, this is it. Y'all are going to love this. It's so good. Now for the best part, fina'denne. Fina'denne is basically equal parts vinegar or lemon with hot peppers, onions, and sometimes tomatoes. It's the Chamorro, I don't want to say sauce because we just say fina'denne, but you know, no Chamorro plate without it. Like get in my mouth already. And now for the best TikTok wrap ever. When you have bits of barbecue leftovers, put it in a tortilla and fold into quarters. You'll get everything in a single bite, and you'll practically be on Guam. This is chicken kelaguen, a lemony salad with coconut, onions, and hot pepper. Gollai appan agate, or cooking bananas in coconut milk. It's the sweetness and creaminess to go against the fina'denne. Some red rice, and barbecue short ribs. Our red rice is made with a sautee or a natto. You can find it on Amazon or Asian store. You guys want some short ribs? Yeah, it's the best in barbecue. Again, all these recipes are linked at the end of this video. The last time I made this, I overstuffed the tortilla, so fill at your own risk. This fina'denne, you've just turned this itty bitty meal into a manwich or a meal fit for two with a side and a dessert. And when those tomatoes pop in your mouth, oh my goodness. I'm telling you, I know, why put Chamorro food in a tortilla, but man, it's so good. Yum. Melt butter and about a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella. Add the Spam wrap. And the Fiesta one. Butter the tops. And sprinkle more cheese once the Spam one is crispy on the bottom. Flip it over. Just make sure the opening faces up. So the eye is going to spill all over the pot, the pan. Oops. Turn it around. Y'all, look at that. I know you want some. Everything in one bite. Here we go. Wow. My God. And the Spam wrap. Spam never tasted so good, you guys. Fina'denne and ketchup and eggs and buttered rice. Leche. Both Chamorro style TikTok wraps are insane and you've got to make them. Thanks for watching and hit that share button too. Adios hasta aquí.